Good morning, dear students and teachers of grade 7. Today, I would like to share with you a model question set for grade 7 is for the new curriculum. Dear students, you can look at the screen. Model question set, grade 7, compulsory English, reading and writing. Time 2 hours, full marks 50. Attempt all the questions. Dear students, I have already uploaded the video about the test specification grid of grade 7. Dear students, मैले पहिला नै योभन्दा अघिल्लो भिडियोमा कसरी क्वेसनहरू आउँछन्, क्वेसनको आइटम कस्तो हुन्छ भनेर भिडियो पोस्ट गरिसकेको छु. You can watch the video in my channel. Now see. So attempt all the questions. Read the text and answer the questions given below. It carries 5 marks. This is a scene text. This is a text from your textbook, dear students. So let's read. One unfortunate day, the son fell sick and died. Kisha couldn't believe what had happened. She refused to accept that her dear son had left her forever. She cried and was in total grief. The villagers came and consoled her. They advised her that she should prepare for his funeral, but she refused to do so. Instead, she carried her son's dead body in her arms and went round the village from door to door. She begged people to help her bring her son back to her life. But the villagers saw that the son was already dead and nothing could be done. She believed that her son would come back and thus spend some days with her dead son. She neither let anybody touch her son's dead body nor would take him to the graveyard. So, dear students, if you need, I will solve the questions in my next video, in my new video. So here, I want to show you what type of questions are asked. I want to show you the model questions only here in today's video. So here, how did Kisha react to the death of her son? So it's a text from your textbook. So I'm sure you know the answer. How did Kisha react to the death of her son? What did Kisha want people to do for her? Dear students, try to answer it. And if you have any confusion, I will solve these questions in my next video. What did Kisha want people to do for her? What was Kisha advised? Why did she spend some days with her dead son? Do you think her son would come back? So these questions carry 5 marks in total. So one question carries 1 mark. Okay, each. So एउटा क्वेसनको आन्सर एउटा 1 मार्क आउँछ दी स्टुडेन्ट्स. So first reading test यस्तो हुन्छ है. Now let's do reading second. It also carries 5 marks. It is also from the textbook. Read the text and complete the given sentence with words, phrases from the text. But the activities, questions are of different items को हुन्छ. पहिलोमा हामीले क्वेसन हैन सर्ट कम्प्रिहेन्सन क्वेसन, सर्ट आन्सर क्वेसन आयो भने सेकेन्डमा अब के हुन्छ, त्यो सर्ट आन्सर क्वेसन आन्सर आउँदैन है. Fill in the blanks or reordering or true false down सक्छ. So Namche Solukhumbu 25th December. Dear Sharu, this is the letter, okay? पहिलोमा हामीले टेक्स्ट थियो, अब लेटर अर्को आइटम हुन्छ. Thank you for a letter which I received yesterday. As you are interested in Losar, I am going to describe this festival. So Losar is the combination of two words. Lo means year and Shar means new. यो पनि बुकबाटै आएको दि स्टुडेन्ट्स. Losar is one of the most popular festivals in Nepal, celebrated by different communities on different days. Tamil Losar is celebrated amongst the Gurung community, whereas Sonam Losar is celebrated by Tamang and Elmo communities. Likewise, the Galvo Losar is observed by the Tibetan and Sherpa communities. The beginning of New Year is celebrated by dancing, singing, and family meetups, exchanging greetings and gifts. Families pray together during this festival and enjoy the special foods. Among the widely celebrated festivals in Nepal, Gai Jatra is celebrated to commemorate the death of people during the year. Local people believe that cows can help the deceased to reach dead, reach Emma, the god of death. This is one of the most unique festivals of Nepal, where cows are decorated and led through the streets and lanes. Families of the deceased join the procession and distribute good food packets and fruits with us. Yours truly, Jivan Sharma. Now, this is this activity, this exercise is fill in the blanks. Tamang communities, Tamang communities observe. So you can find the words from the text above. Sherpa communities celebrate. is celebrated to recall the death of. God of Death is celebrated as a new year in different communities in Nepal. Dear students, please try to solve these questions. Try to solve the try to do the activities, exercises. If you have any confusion, if you need, I will help you in my next video. Now third one. Read the text and write whether the given statements are true or false. 5. It also carries 5 marks. Football is on. This is a short essay for paragraph. It's for our curriculum. It's for our test specification grid. Football is one of the oldest sports globally, which is played between two teams using only one football. In the United States, it's also called soccer, and some of the most prominent players in the world are from Southern America, Spain, Africa, etc. Some of the prominent football teams are from Liverpool, Manchester, Chelsea. The players as well as the spectators both have a huge craze and enthusiasm for the football match. The football match is played with only two goalposts, a field and football. The sport is played across the world, and also a lot of schools and colleges conduct football tournaments. There are many inter-school college football matches played across the world. To play this game, there is a need for two teams, and each team has 11 members. Now, so this is true and false item. Football is the oldest sport of all in the world. Some of the best players are from the USA. Two teams claim for the same ball in the game. Football is also called soccer in the United States. So, the students, these are two false items. The above text is about how to play football. Try going well. Now, fourth reading test. Read the text given below and do the activities that follow. It carries 10 marks. Climate is sometimes mistaken for weather, but climate is different from weather because it is measured over a longer period of time. Whereas weather can change from day to day or from year to year. The climate of an area includes seasonal temperature and rainfall averages and wind patterns. Different places have different climates. A desert, for example, is referred to as an arid climate because little water falls as rain or snow during the year. Other types of climate include tropical climates, which are hot and humid, and temperate climates, which have warm summers and cooler winters. Climate change is the long-term alteration of temperature and typical weather patterns in a place. Climate change could refer to a particular location or the planet as a whole. Climate change may cause weather patterns to be less predictable. These unexpected weather patterns can make it difficult to maintain grow crops in regions that rely on farming because expected temperature and rainfall levels can no longer be relied on. Climate change has also been connected with weather damaging weather patterns such as more frequent and more intense hurricanes, floods, downpours, winter storms, etc. In polar regions, the warming global temperatures associated with climate change have meant ice sheets and glaciers are melting at an accelerated rate from season to season. This contributes to sea levels rising in different regions of the planet. Together with expanding ocean waters due to rising temperatures, the resulting rise in sea level has begun to damage coastline as a result of increased flooding and erosion. Now, what type of questions are asked here? Find the words or phrases from the text for this meaning. Find the single words or phrases. An average condition of weather depend on an area characterized by its arid climate, a river of ice, extreme in degree. Dear students, and you can try to solve these activities, exercises. Answer the following questions in short. Also carries 5 marks. What is climate? How is climate different from weather? What are the impacts of climate change on weather? What is the cause of melting ice in the polar region? What is the suitable title of the above text? Now, next one, punctuate the following text. So punctuation, there are some mistakes, grammatical mistakes, comma, full stop, in the same way capitalization. So among the widely celebrated festival in Nepal, Gai Jatra is celebrated to commemorate the death of people during the year. Local people believe that cows can help the deceased to reach Yama, the god of death, he said. So here, there are some mistakes, these students. There are 10 mistakes, and if you can correct one mistake, you will be awarded with 0.5 marks. Write a letter of congratulations to your friend who stood first in the district level speech contest. So you write an essay. Next one, it carries 5 marks. Next one, write an essay on importance of English language. 10 marks. Now grammatical. Choose the best answer to complete the sentences and write them. So now you can see, if you answer one question, if you uh, answer correctly one item, you will get 0.5 mark. And if you answer all these grammatical questions, you will get 5 marks in total. C is actually, like I won't say you answer. Yeah? C is university student, so A and the B. What's mine? Now preposition. Now C. I usually you can. This is about tense. C is okay. This is connectives. You know, this is active or old age. These are there are. You can choose the correct answer. One of the words. This is agreement. Which verb is suitable here? He shared a table for dinner last week. So what is here? This is negation. She said that. Okay, this is a reported speech. Okay, this is conditional if the PM out is sure. Okay, a cattle wear here. This is passive voice. She wearing a white coat and it's also see. And this is different possibility. This is more luxuries. So thank you for watching it, dear students and teachers. If you need further help, I will definitely make a video as per your wish. तपाईँलाई केही सहयोग चाहिए म यसको आन्सर सल्भ पनि लिएर आउनेछु म नेक्स्ट विक. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Okay, thanks very much.